Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to remove image background on one click in Photoshop 2025 version 26. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our image. So we are going to remove image background on one click. So when we hover on image, now you see object selected or person selected. Now you see remove background button. So click on it. Now you see image background remove. So when we click on button, now you see. So when we hover on it, then you see object. So you can save this file as PNG format. Now click on file and then click on save as. Now select PNG format. You can add file name and then click on save. Now you see PNG format option, OK. Now this is our image after removing background in Photoshop 2025. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.